Hello everyone, and welcome to this small tutorial on how to write on a path in Adobe Photoshop. My name is Kimberly and I'll be helping you today with this task. Writing on a path is fairly simple. It only takes a couple of steps. I'm going to troubleshoot what can happen so you can easily do it on your own without having to look further from this video. If my explanations are too quick, feel free to press on a spacebar to pause the video and go through it on your own. So without further ado, let's get started. One of the first steps is creating the path to write on. There are several ways. In this tutorial, I'm going to write it on a circle path because that's something that a lot of people tend to want to recreate in their own visuals. So for this, we are going to go get the ellipse tool, which is right here under the T. If you're looking for the keybind, it's U. If you cannot find the ellipse tool, usually it can come up as the line tool or the rectangle tool. To change it, simply click the left mouse button, hold it down, and there you go. Pick the one that you want. The next part is to look in the top left corner. Please make sure that it's set on path and not shape. We're not looking for a vector shape, we're looking for a path to write on. So let's go ahead and make our path. In this case, I'm going to use Shift Alt and click to make a perfect circle. And there we have it. There is our path. To write on it, it's fairly simple. We're going to go and press T, which is the text tool. If you cannot find it and you want to click on it, it's right here. Once again, we have multiple tools with it, but we really want the horizontal type tool. We're going to go ahead and go back to our path. As I'm mousing over it, you're going to see that it's going to switch icons. I don't really know how to explain it, but it does a little wave in it. So it's really just telling you, hey, this is a path. You can write here. So we're going to go ahead and click on it. I'm going to fill it out with Laura Ipsum. For this tutorial, we're just going to write this is a path. And it's that simple. You've written on a path. There are some things that can happen. I've already set up the broken. If it happens that you type on it and your text is not visible, we're going to go and select the path selection tool, which is A, for those who want to know the shortcut. And you're going to see these little arrows appearing. When it's cutting the text out, it's probably because the brackets in which your text is are closer together than further apart. So it's not showing all of the text that you actually put in. So we're going to click on this end and we're going to drag it out. And there you have it. As always, if you don't know how to rotate things, an easy way is to do Control T and simply drag it around. Really that simple for this case. If you want to switch your text and put it on the inside instead of the outside, you're going to click on it and simply drag in, drag out, drag in. It's really that simple. You don't have to worry about the path once it's done. It's not going to show up. And I think that's pretty much it. You can always change your font. You can always do anything. It's not set in stone there, but your path is available. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So I hope this helped you out. If it did, leave a like and make sure to subscribe to the channel for some more fun tutorials like this to help you out in your journey in learning Photoshop. I hope you have a wonderful day.